Hi, my name is Nick and I'm here with WinChoice USA to tell you a little bit about our window repair and window replacement services here in Jackson, Mississippi area. Serving Jackson and the greater southeast region of the United States, our team of window specialists are dedicated to providing you with high quality and affordable windows in your area. So whether your windows were damaged in a storm, broken by a baseball from a kid down the street, or simply old and in need of replacement, our team is here to help you out. When you need to replace or repair your window on your home, we urge you to get in touch with a member of our team right away so we can help you out. If your windows are damaged as a result of storm, improper installation, or any other unfortunate event, we will work with you to schedule a speedy repair process as soon as you reach out to us. If your windows aren't functioning or have simply met the end of their lifetime, we will work with you to find high quality, affordable windows that meet your budget and your specific needs. So next time you have an issue with your home's windows, whether it be replacement or repairs, we urge you to contact us at WinChoice USA, your window service specialist in Jackson, Mississippi. Have a great day.